हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। आज मैं आपको एक पैटर्न बताने जा रही हूँ। जैसे कि हमारी एक्चुअल एग्ज़ाम में स्पीकिंग होती है, सब मैं आपको हिंदी में भी एक्सप्लेन करूँगी कि वो स्पीकिंग कैसे होती है, कैसे क्वेश्चन पुट किए जाते हैं। सब हम पार्ट 1 से स्टार्ट करेंगे। सबसे पहले मेरी यही रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हो तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में बेल आइकन को भी दबा लें ताकि मेरी आने वाली हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास पहले पहुंच सके। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1। गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। गुड मॉर्निंग। दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ IELTS स्पीकिंग। लेट्स स्टार्ट। मे आई नो योर नेम? माई नेम इज़ वर्षा सिंघानिया। हाउ मे आई एड्रेस यू? You may address me as Varsha. May I see your ID? Here is my passport. Where do you come from? I come from Jalandhar. It is a big city in the Punjab. Now I'm going to ask you some questions related to mobile apps. Okay, ma'am. Which mobile app do you use? Well, I use a lot of mobile apps for different purposes, like WhatsApp for sending messages to my friends and family members. For social networking, I use Facebook, and for sharing my pictures, I use Instagram. Apart from this, I use apps to read news or do banking services on my phone. Which one are the popular in your country? Well, in my country, WhatsApp, Snapchat and Instagram are the most popular apps, as people in my country like to spend their time by chatting with each other and sharing their pictures. Which one do you want to use? I would like to use apps to know more about jobs or studies related to my field. I believe there is a huge requirements of apps related to specific jobs or courses, and this can help people in becoming good and what they do or study. Now I will asking some questions related to transportation. Okay, let's start. Can you compare the advantages of planes and trains? Yes, trains are cheaper than planes, but planes are much faster than trains. In trains, you can take as much luggage as you want to, but in planes there is a restriction. Railway stations are there in almost all towns and cities, whereas airports are there in only a few places. Do you think people will drive more in future? It is difficult to say about the future, but at the rate at which traffic congestion is increasing on the road, I think people will use public transport more. Part 2. Cue card. Describe an interesting conversation with someone you did not know or a foreigner. Your question is when this happened, who you were talking to, what you talked about, why did you find this conversation interesting. You have 1 minute to prepare on this topic. Okay, so are you ready? You have need to talk about this topic for 2 minutes. Let's start. Well, conversation are part of our life. There are maybe interesting or maybe not. I would like to talk about one interesting conversation that I had. I am living in city Jalandhar, but last Sunday I was going to my hometown. I was traveling on the bus. On that time, I had an interesting conversation with one man. We were sitting in the same seat, and I was sitting beside the window. He asked me to open it and then thanked me. Then he asked me about myself. The interesting conversation was started. He told me that his name is Jitendra Singh and he is working in the political department of Punjab University, Chandigarh. But I was just surprised after knew that he prefers to live that a good and simple life. He also liked to travel on bus. Then he was talking about the political system of our country, India. We were debating little on the politician. I saw that his some views are similar to me. He told me that if one politician would want to make the country politician condition better, then he can do it very well. But in our country, India, it seems to be impossible. Then we were talking about various political leaders of our country. Due to this interesting conversation, I did not know when I reached my hometown and I had to go now down from the bus. So our conversation has stopped. I thought that it was a good and interesting conversation. I remember it my whole lifetime. I learned many things from his experience and interesting talk. According to me, it was an interesting conversation instead of all my conversation which I had done in my entire life. Really, it was interesting. Part third, follow-up questions. Do you think women like to chat more than men? I don't think so. Gender has nothing to do with the preference of chatting. It's a matter of individual choice. Next question. When men chat with other men, do they usually talk about the same things that women do when they chat with other women? The topic of conversation among men or women is matter of individual taste. Mostly men talk about sports, business and politics, whereas women talk about fashion and family matter, but the individual variation are always there. Do you most people have just a small number of friends or many friends? It is very difficult to generalize. Some people have few friends and some like to have a lot of friends. Mostly face to face friendship is limited to a few close friends, but have a huge network of online friends these days on Facebook और WhatsApp. सो ये था हमारे स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1, 2 और 3 का सैम्पल आंसर्स। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक जरूर करना, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना और साथ में बेल आइकन को भी दबाना ताकि मेरी आने वाली हर एक वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास पहले पहुंच सके। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।